What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Becca Bogle. If this is your first time here, I'm going to drop my Instagram handle here so you guys can also follow me on Instagram. I just kind of focus on fashion, lifestyle, and like beauty content. So if you're interested in more content like that, please hit the subscribe button if you have not already subscribed to my channel. And then if you're liking the video that you watched today, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I will also be linking everything in the comments as well. So today I kind of had like a really fun idea because I was seeing this on TikTok, and maybe nobody cares, but I feel like some people kind of do. So I was just gonna do like a little like Christmas haul now that it's like a couple days after Christmas. I feel like I'm so stuck in this lingo in between like Christmas and New Year's, like it's so weird. So I just kind of thought I would go through some of like my favorite pieces that I got for Christmas, and then I will link those below for you guys. So I just wanted to start off with how adorable is this little Saint Laurent clutch. It is so gorgeous in this like flamingo like berry pink color. It is so pretty, and I love like the gold hardware on it, zipper at the top, and then there is like a pocket here, and then this is what the inside kind of looks like. So you do have another pocket, and then you can either put like your cards in that pocket or just keep your cards in your normal card case and put it in here. But I think this guy is so cute, and we are headed to Florida soon, so I am for sure bringing this guy on vacation. So love her. Next thing that I got that I am obsessed with, and I ask for these every single year, are these Barefoot Dreams socks, and they're like in this like leopard color. I guess I could take them out of the plastic. But, oh, there's Brooklyn, she's joining. So this is like what the socks look like. So they're Barefoot Dreams. They're super fuzzy, cozy socks. Like I love these guys, and they're in this like neutral like leopard color. So I actually have a blanket that also matches these. So I just think these are like such a super fun, cozy like stocking stuffer gift, but I love these guys, and the price point's awesome. This one I am so excited about. I got this awesome cookbook. It's called Platters and Boards. I've been really into charcuterie lately, and building these like amazing boards. So it's really cool to see like how to assemble it, because I really don't know like much about like different cheeses and like all the different options, but like I cannot wait to do this and like host and entertain, and I'm just super excited. So super excited about this gift. Let me see. Oh, and then something to go with that was the cutest little detail ever. It's these little bowls that you can use on your charcuterie from Anthropologie. And they're like these little mini adorable bowls. So they come in like a few different colors. I love these guys. So I will just put them like on my platter, and I cannot wait to use these. And they're like so functional. Like you could literally use them for anything, even if you're not into charcuterie. Okay, so my favorite thing also for Christmas is to load up on like your basics and like your cozy pajamas and whatnot. So I got this Tommy John cozy sleep shirt, or like you can totally wear it as loungewear around your house as well. And then I got these Tommy John pants, which I think I own these in like 3 different colors already, but they're so soft. They're like a jogger at the bottom. They are so comfortable. I wear these for lounging and for sleeping, but I wouldn't leave the house in them because they are a bit thin, but not see-through. Just like, I just feel like they're meant for like at home. So I really love those guys. Super, look at this with the light. Oh my God, you can see the reflection. I am super excited to show you guys this Valenciaga bag. I have been wanting this bag for so long, and Jake, who's my husband, listened. Like, he heard me. He knew I wanted this bag, so I guess he's been like on a wait list for it. And so I'm just super excited. I like wasn't expecting to get this because I like didn't even see it come back in stock. And it's in like the color I wanted and everything. So it came with like this cute little, I love this gold metallic detail. He didn't even wrap it naturally. He was like, I was just so excited. So we just had it in the box, but like, look at how gorgeous. So I love this gold hardware, and the black leather is so pretty. You have to be very careful with it because it is like a delicate leather. It comes with like this strap here, so you can wear it as a crossbody or you can hold it as a top handle. And I love Balenciaga for a few reasons. One, because then it has the B, so I just feel like, how cute is that? Because my name's Becca, I just think that's so fun too. But I love how like versatile these are. Like you can really dress these up or dress them down and like wear them with a lounge set, and it just kind of like elevates your look. So I am pumped about her. Like I'll have to name her, and I cannot wait to add her to my collection of handbags. So that guy was like honestly such a surprise. Like I was just shocked because I didn't think it was available. So that was really cool. That was really fun, exciting, and unexpected. But there it is. The next thing is also hilarious because I just have been having like this Balenciaga obsession. So like, can we talk about how good this is? I'm totally bringing this guy to Florida, but she is so pretty. Get her out of the bag, it's a little tight. But how adorable is this bag? It's like in this gorgeous like canvas, and like it's like a gray blue color, so super pretty and elevated. I love that the bottom has this like structure to it, so you don't have to worry about it collapsing. So I think this is really great. I love the size actually. Like I probably wouldn't wear it like this, but I would just like carry it like as is, like this, or just like hold it from the top. There is a pouch in it as well, and I think the pouch is cute too. So it's just like plain, so nothing special about it, but it is really cute to store like sunscreen, sunglasses, you know, like kind of that in it. So that is this guy, and I am just so excited to like pack all this. So that's kind of like a few things that I got for Christmas. So I thought I would just share some of those because I know some of those were like designer like items, and I know that most of I've done like a few designer things on this channel before, and a lot of you were interested in it. Here's little Brooklyn. How cute. I love you, buddy. I know. I actually got her for Christmas like this little Barkin bag, which was like adorable. I like absolutely loved it. It's snowing like crazy here too. It's like crazy. It's the first snow of the year. What else? So yeah, so that's kind of like a small little haul of some things that I got for Christmas. And yeah, I'm just super sad that Christmas is over. And now she's trying to play with my socks. Absolutely not. Trying to play with my new Barefoot Dream socks. No. So I'm just like super sad. I get like really sad, I feel like, when Christmas is over on the 26th. I feel like it's the worst day. Christmas music turns off. I feel like the holidays just like wrap up. But we are headed to Florida, so we do have that to look forward to. But I feel like I could sit and like look at my Christmas tree almost like all year. So countdown to next year. But I hope everyone had a really good Christmas with their family, friends, or if you were alone, like you made the most of it due to COVID. So hope everybody had a Merry Christmas, and I will be posting this video hopefully before New Year's, so you guys will see this before New Year's. So happy New Year and New Year's Eve. Stay safe. And once again, my name is Becca Bogle. Thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed this video and like seeing some of my new pieces, I will be styling these more on my Instagram platform. So if you do not follow me on Instagram, it's Becca Bogle right here. That way you will see styling of some of these pieces. So if you are interested in also purchasing some of these pieces, this might be like a good way to find like inspo for like what you're going to wear with them. So yeah, but thank you again for watching.